Assalamu alaikum. This is Muneebali. Today I will introduce you Arduino software plus I will also introduce you Proteus software. But this is just a beginner, and in my second lecture I will tell you how I connect my Arduino with an LED and simulate in Proteus software. This is my first lecture, so I will introduce you about Proteus simulation 8.6. Or now we are opening that software. It takes a little bit time, so don't worry. Okay, just we connect and project from this video. You can just connect, open it. So just I will open this software, and then I will let you know how you can go and you can download and you can upload and you can easily simulate all the circuit diagrams and circuit schematics and what you like. Simply, as I told you that I will simulate Arduino over here, so I will just introduce yourself that about Arduino. As I was reading Arduino over here, you will simply that Arduino comes that this is Arduino Uno 62 R3. Okay, and this is my first select, and I will turn it back, and by this you can easily this is Arduino, and you can easily simulate it. And like that, if I will use LED, I will use animated LED blue. You see that this is animated LED. We use three animated LEDs over here. I just give you an introduction how you can connect an LED with an Arduino, and simply you can place your ground over here. If you want to connect ground, you can simply connect it. Yeah, this is ground. You see, this is very simple. Three LEDs, one Arduino, and one is ground. And I just show you that you can easily connect. This is the introduction of Proteus simulation, nothing else. And today we can also show you about Arduino. If you want to go and just when you upload the program from Arduino library hex file, you just go over here and you can upload your program over here, program file like that. Okay, but I will show you all this in my next video. This is just an introduction of Proteus simulation. Thank you so much for watching my video.